Zala 6. Alerta. Neged. Almaden. Neged. Rebound by Alerta. To Alesna. Pass Alerta to Arabs foul by number 18, Rabena. First foul by Rabena. Warning for penalty team Akami go kill. Wah, ya pun. Almaden to 3 years pass Rabena. Oh, counted. Who's foul? Foul by number 11, Lesna. Lesna is first foul. 13 foul. By Charles Forward. No. Ball by Rabena. So Moaz Forward. Rebound to Alesna. So Gaceta to Almaden. Big rebound by Sadiko block foul. Now by number 10, Alams. First foul. A warning for penalty both teams.
Balls never lie.
Oleh press. Big rebound by Alnabs. Whoop. Hood. Rabena. That's the 3 years for Lloyd. What rebound by Gaceta. Up steal. Moaz. Yes, nice pass. 2 point by Moaz. It's a lot. Rabena. Good 2. Voila. Rebound by Alesna to Gaceta. Round shot. Good. Rebound by 8-14. Good shot. Almaden. Yes. Labaw. Alerta. Drive. Block. 16 juga shot block. Left foul. Foul by number 8. Penalty.
It's a
Foul by number 8. 08. 08 to na. Ya pun. Kickball. Almost. Wait out. Alerta, drive. Yes. Up there was gone. Traveling violation.
May na traveling. Pangit man din.
Oletres. There's Alerta. Alerta. Pasty. JS. PGT. Bring it. Yes, 2 points, boy. JS to Rabena. Lopos. Lopos. 14, she gets shot up. 3S. Take it up. 3S. Pass to Saneko. Blown by Arnabs. Yes, 3 points by one Mas. Oh, by Boy Mas. First foul by Boy Mas. I'd like to welcome Bulldogs and Stephen Lomagbas. Dua, Red.
Sarah.
Bungas. Reyes. Can take a shot now. Yes, 3 points by Almaden. Gaceta. Whoop, steal. Almaden. Alerta. Oh, go!
Outed.
Foul by Boy Mas, second foul. Oh, penalty ya. Penalty. Okay, Boy Mas, second foul. Yes, the pass, 2 points by Saneko. Rovena, rebound by Rovena again. Rovena, offensive foul by number 8. Offensive foul. Second foul by number 8. Giotto. Lesnar. 14. Alerta. Yes, 2 points by Alerta. Rovena. Wicked. Rebound by Oletres.
Padeka.
Almaden, 2 Boy Mas. Yes, 2 points by Boy Mas. No, speed. Ball. Counted. Who's ball? Yeah, ball. 18.
Dapat ba sila tama?
Time out, team. Upcoming goal kill. Wow, behind. Second foul. Bonus. 13, 10. Alvarez, yes. Alerta. Big rebound by Alvarez. Up. Steal by Alvarez to Alvarez. Sanego to 3 is yes. No more shot.